have two Uber drivers try to work their way out of ride sharing through day
Down
trading
12,
with Eddie and Vinny Cuz here. All right. And like Sergio does not like the green line going over the yellow line.
the
So
law, and anybody out
let's make some money.
local community, all the doctors, nurses,
All right.
teachers,
So Vinny's listening to some news.
officers, the janitors, the garbage man,
I already set up my chart.
lady
Hold on. This is
for the
Tesla.
groceries, volunteering at a nonprofit.
I'm going to set up my SPY.
We love you
Are we
guys
going to be doing things a little different, right? We're going to be calling out what we're doing
to always
and
show
why.
appreciation.
Say what?
Special people,
We're
baby.
going to
Good
be
morning.
calling out what we're doing, right?
Ladies and
Good
gentlemen,
morning.
please rise.
Good. Oh, here is Wes. Morning, Wes.
I'm not seeing any chat. Ah, there he is.
Good.
There's the man of the hour. There's the man of the hour. Wes, nothing today in the market's making sense, bro.
If they say go up, you go down. If they say go down, you go up.
Nothing's
Okay.
making sense this
And
morning.
if Kramer says anything, you don't listen.
No, if Kramer says anything, you do the exact opposite.
Kramer-
Incidentally, he called Deutsche Bank a really good play on Friday, and right now it's down 9% in the pre-market again.
Yeah, no, I think his bad call was with the SVB. I think that was just, I don't know.
Kramer's had a lot of bad calls, man. He's such a he's a shill, dude. He's a he got.
But I mean, I don't know Kramer though. I've heard that Kramer, the reason why he's there is because he's made a lot of people a lot of money.
Yeah, well,
So his credibility supposedly is there, but I don't know Kramer that much. All I know is that I know Kramer. He calls the market and stuff, but this SVB
he's a
band,
shill, bro. He's a shill. He's a goddamn shill. He's been caught. He's been caught shilling for companies, bro. He's been caught. So Wes says he's looking at Tesla puts. You got Tesla on your chart, buddy? I'm not looking.
yeah,
at it.
actually, hey, Wes, look at my chart. My chart's the one that's shown, right? No,
Yeah, it's your chart. That's not mine. Is that mine? No, that's mine, man.
wait,
Grab
hold
my
on,
chart,
hold on.
bro.
So, hey, Wes, I'm assuming you're looking for puts. Am I doing it right here? Basically, once it gets to this high right here of like, what is this? My trend line, 194, 195, and basically just reject out of it.
Bro, what'd you do? You messed up the stream again.
What'd I do? What's wrong with the stream?
Fuck. I can't change it again. Something on your end is screwing up the stream.
I don't know. I'm not doing it. I haven't touched anything.
Well, right now your chart's going to be. That's fine. Your chart can be the only chart that needs to be up this morning.
Oh, I see. Hold on. Could it be?
I have no idea. But I'm gonna send these folks an email, bro. They're gonna have to give me back my money because they've been screwing up a lot lately.
Well, I can't change the scene. See how where my chart shows
can't change
the
nothing.
feed?
I have no control over nothing right now. I'm getting aggravated.
Me neither.
Well, let me try something here. No. Nothing.
Yeah, no, okay. I'm doing the same thing and it doesn't change.
The hell is going on here?
Hold on. If I go out and go back in,
Don't worry about it. The market's open. Just keep your chart up. That's all. Just keep your chart up.
All right, I'll switch it back and forth.
Yeah, going out means nothing.
See, but I could do this. Oh wait, hold on. You took your chart out.
Yeah, I took it out. It's no sense in having it up there burning the extra. Anyway, the markets are open.
Ding, ding,
Holy
ding, ding.
Shit. Oh, my contracts fell. God damn it.
See, I had the voice changer right here to a stormtrooper, and it's not working. On and off. Yeah, see, I can shut it on, and it doesn't turn on. Ay, Dios mío. I really want to see this. Now I want to paper trade. That's right. Let's paper trade. Paper trade. All right. Let me grab an option here of Tesla. Yeah. I'm going to experiment with this one, just the rejection. But I really, really need to hit, no, this is SPY. Oh, look at that. It wicked right on it. No. Remove. All right, here we go. And now I'm going to change this into my Tesla calls. My Tesla. Delete. Call. Where's my puts? See, that's what I'm looking at. My puts. They're 4 days out on Tesla. So it says is 290. So it's going to be 290. I'm also looking at the SPY here for the same thing as Wes was looking at earlier, just a rejection right here of 399 or 400. Oh, it would be nice. So what you got going there, Vinios? What are you looking at?
I'm looking at getting my ass kicked this morning from holding those contracts over the weekend. I knew better. I took a chance, though. I risked it for the biscuit. I figured we were going to get some more bad news, another bank, some kind of garbage news, and that never happened. So I'm down like 260 or 270 this morning. But I'm going to make a move here and try to capture some of that money back. It's very, very, very high risk. It's very high risk today. But you know what? That's trading, brother. That's trading. There's no way I'm gonna be able to bring up my screen. I don't know what's going on with the damn with the program this morning, but I'm getting a little pissed off.
Put your screen. See, if you do that and I was to hit this arrow, I can share your screen.
How are you doing that? What arrow are you talking about? Because
you know
the screen
on the side of the screen, we have the cameras, right? There you go.
Yeah, but
there you go.
What the hell? Now we got everything up again. Don't hit no more arrows, bro. Don't hit.
I'm not hitting nothing.
Because as soon as you hit the arrow, that becomes dominant, and you can't change nothing.
And then the thing is, the ones at the bottom, yeah, those I can't. The ones you're touching right now, those are the ones that are not working for me.
Okay, listen. If you hit that arrow, you see the side chart?
Yeah.
If you hit the arrow, it locks that onto the screen. Nothing can change.
Oh, okay. I see what you mean.
I knew you were doing something screwy over there.
I didn't know that's what happened when you did that.
You did that, bro. You did that.
You don't teach me nothing. You don't teach me
did that.
Nothing.
You did that, Hoss. Okay. I knew it was Eddie's fault. Good morning, Key. Eddie and I are having a brotherly spat this morning. That's what Eddie and I are doing. Eddie and I are having a brotherly spat this morning. We're in mode this morning.
This is Sparta!
And like King Leonidas, I'm gonna have to take Eddie and throw him in the deep hole.
Oh man. Okay, I really wanted to change my voice, but it's not working.
Bro, did you see my video that I put out yesterday?
Yeah, we're talking about the XL.
Yeah, no, forget all that though. Did you see all the 4 red flags I had going on Saturday before I even got started? Bro,
Yeah.
I'm telling you, I couldn't buy a break Saturday. Couldn't buy a break Saturday to get started. But I got to make the follow-through video today because I wound up having a really good day. I worked like 7 hours and I was over 500. But boy, it was fun to get there. Oh, I did 500 Saturday night.
Oh,
And
the
I didn't
voice
go
mod
to-
needs to be running.
And I did not go to any of the big events. I didn't go to Ultra. I didn't go to the tennis match. It's like I said, bro, when everybody goes left, or no, I'm sorry, when they go left, I go right.
I was doing the same thing yesterday, and people were calling me. Actually, people were asking for rides, and because there's a race going on at the racetrack, but I don't want to go to the racetrack. Guy called me up. He's like, "Dude, please don't cancel, man." It's like everybody here is charging $150, okay, off the Uber app. I was like, "Well, yeah." I was like, the traffic getting in and getting out. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna try to pick you up. It was a $36 ride. It was a $36 ride, which was good. But the app is not showing any traffic, like zero traffic. And then on my way there,
They're trying to
the guy canceled. The guy canceled. I was like, all right, you know what? Now if you go call again, I'm gonna be like, poof, decline. Because I knew he was gonna be stranded and or pay $150.
Right. I'm sitting here deciding what I want to do here.
Let me see. I'm gonna look at my SPY.
I'm waiting to see this zone over here on the left chart. I want to break below this 310.89, and that's going to dictate what I'm going to do here. I got to try to get some of this. Well, it's not revenge trading. What happened Friday happened Friday. I'm still in them. You can see I'm down almost $300. But I'm going to have a little patience this morning. Waiting for the setups, waiting for this to break below. Watching the MACD, watching the RSI. I'm watching everything on the Qs.
I'm gonna do a DOM right now, and I'm waiting. I'm just trying to set up in between my live and my paper trading.
So Kiera's like brotherly love, Spartan kick. Wes is like, yeah, I don't mess with no events at all. No, there's certain events, bro, I'll go do. Like there are certain events I will go do. Let's see, is this looking to go my way? Are we going to get a drop down? Damn it. I could have been up. I could have got $8 back right there. God damn it. And there are certain events I will go do. But then there's other events there's no way. It makes 0 sense. You have to be a complete idiot to sit in traffic. I'm sorry. That's how I feel. You have to be an idiot to go sit in traffic. So I can't do it. I'm not sitting in traffic, bro. That's out. No, they don't pay me to sit in traffic.
And it was a good day for me. I made over 300.
Saturday or Sunday?
Sunday.
Yesterday I was out for like 4 hours, did like $1.45 on 3 rides. I'm not saying I'm cherry picking because I'm not cherry picking, dude.
No, I cherry picked the
I
living
am
kahunas.
absolutely selective. I am absolutely selective nowadays.
But
I still
I noticed what I was doing wrong when it came to the truck. and I started cherry picking, but I have to go back into my original routine where I'm doing regular X and regular Lyft rides.
Why? Is that where your money is?
Well, no, it's because of those. As long as there's bonuses or quests or something like that that I can actually achieve without doing X all day. If I could just do a couple today and then a couple tomorrow, regular rides today, a couple tomorrow, then it all adds up by the time I get, on the last day.
All right. I'm in a Tesla put. Let's see what happens. I'm doing the Dom because this market can flip on a dime right here.
See, and I did a breakdown in my new video too.
Did a breakdown of what?
So Lyft, I'm up there in Lyft, and
Tell me
this
what
whole
that
entire
means.
week I was getting paid $17 per ride, which is still pretty good.
Yeah, that's good.
What-
Nothing wrong with that.
But Uber on Blue, just regular Blue all the way at the bottom, I was making $21 per ride.
Wait a minute. Say that. God damn it. Say that again.
Uh-oh.
No.
No, that with Lyft, I made $17 per ride. Uber, I made $21 per ride.
Doing Uber Premier? Uber
Nope.
XL?
Just doing it my way. Regular, doing some X rides. Not taking anything under $1.50, except for X rides. If I was doing regular X rides, then nothing under $1. And it actually worked out.
I got to make a decision here. God damn it. I know what I'm looking for, Eddie. I ain't seeing it yet. That's pre-market high, right? Yeah, that's pre-market high. We'll see if this thing's going to slap off pre-market high or not, which was 312.50 right here.
Well, I'm just going to try to play a really quick call here. See if it works down 197.23 on Tesla. There it goes. I'm going to go ahead and I just sold it. Thank you. Sweet.
Ooh, I'm getting smoked.
Sweet.
I almost think my play today has to be, unless there's a clear breakout, I still say we're going to see downside today. I still feel as if we're going to see a lot of downside today. And I'm going to need it because I'm getting my ass kicked. Woohoo!
Okay, let's see. Now I'm going to go back to my SPY. Oh, my SPY is really up there. Okay. See, Tesla was just it didn't go, but look, it looks like it might go, but it's just I didn't. So what I did was I bought the candle over candle. All right, it's trailing above the 9 EMA, and I was thinking it was just gonna pop right here and go a little higher, but it didn't. But I sold anyway.
Right.
Sold the pop. I do not know how much money I made on it, but I was pretending that I had $1,000 account. And this is with So don't mind that. So I only made $30 on it.
Okay.
And it was 3 contracts, so it cost me like 900 something.
Bro, it's not even showing how many people are watching today. We got nobody watching. Everybody's gone. But I see Wes and Kiera in the.
Yeah.
The
Yeah, I agree.
I don't know what the hell's going on. I don't know what the hell's going on.
Basic trading, Japanese style, watch me. Yeah, it says 000, like nobody's in there, but they're in here.
The hell?
All right, is that better?
Yeah, it's all good.
Let the game begin.
See what's going on over here.
Why not in the long term? I mean, maybe actually. I wouldn't be opposed to it, but
All right, that really wasn't.
multi-year. I think it's already there. I think the problem with Square is that like it's at 2018, 2019.
Ain't nothing going on there.
All right, everything's good, right? You can hear me normal, right?
Yeah, you're normal. Wes, I got a $7,000 account now. Just need to make 250 to 350 a day, and that would be nice. I hear you, brother. Let me take a look at what Tesla's doing.
Yeah, Wes, that's why my account right here says 10,133, just in and out really fast. Paper trading. I do not want to hear myself. Spy, look, spy, look. Spies taking off again.
I got to play the odds here. Got to play these odds.
All right, there we go. Let's see if it breaks down. I'm just waiting for the breakdown and then a pullback, and there goes my entry.
All right, it's hitting up against pre-market high. I'm talking triple Qs now. So this should bring it down to my price. Really trying to bring down my dollar cost average here. I got no choice. I mean, I got a choice. I can take the licking and not worry about it. But I'm not going to do that. I'm gonna do something a little different. I'm not gonna recover much, but I'm gonna try to recover a little bit here. And then I'll start looking to hedge in to try to mitigate the losses. But loss is part of the game. I mean, I never hold contracts overnight. But they got me. They got me. But that's okay. That's part of trading. Never break your rules, bro. Why do I have this confirmation there? I don't want confirmation on this mess.
Let me go into my account. There we go. Here's my SPY. This stupid echo stuff is really.
Having a little patience here. This thing wants to go up into the next zone, but I don't think it's going to get there. What time is it? 9:52. Come on, let me get him at 6. That's at 7. Son of a bumpkin. Patience, patience, patience. Let the setup come to you, brother. Let the setup come to you. You guys can see I'm kind of locked in on something here. Trying to mitigate loss. Just made a really, really stupid move the other day. And now I'm paying the price. But it happens. Watching the 1 minute on one chart and the 5 minute on another chart. Watching volume. Keeping an eye on the RSI, the MACD. Because all I'm going to need is one. Now I can't hear you at all, Eddie.
I'm just trying to set up my puts right now for my SPY,
Oh, okay.
for my live paper trading account.
There you go. I like that language.
Let's see what we got here.
All right. Brought that down. Wow, brought that down a lot. Okay, so now I got to change everything here.
Okay.
Oh, let's see. So that would be. All right. So. All right. Now this looks a little better. I mean, I'm still getting my ass kicked, but this looks a lot better. Now that looks a lot better. Like I say, if I'm going to lose, I'm going to lose. I'm going to go down fighting. You know what I mean? I'm going to go down fighting.
So I have my puts set up next day. They're about $80 when I got them. I'm assuming they're gonna go a little higher once I get to 395 puts and then 401 calls. So just in case it goes in the other direction.
That's it. Now, that leaves me what here? 69. All right.
But what I'm gonna be doing is once I get in, I'm gonna hold on. Make sure everything is.
So what else is going on, buddy?
Nothing. I'm just waiting for basically the SPY choose a direction, and then I can actually make my trade from there. So I did the high of day. I did a low of day right here. Give me my line.
Morning, Patty. Yeah, nothing's working right this morning, bro. On Restream. Nothing.
Morning, commuter.
Commuter said in my video yesterday, I got to go back and answer all the comments. But he said yesterday, he's like, Vinny, sometimes you're the fence post, and sometimes you're the dog pissing on the fence post. That was funny. Patty, the shift went good, bro. Shift went real good. Wound up clearing a little over 500. So I was in for 60 on the day before I finally got started. Worked about 7 hours. What it was is I only did 370 on the apps, but I had $140 in cash tips. So
Ooh,
yeah, $140 in
very
cash.
nice.
Yeah, that was 3 tips. One guy, there was a big charity event that I just happened to stumble across. That was way out west for us, like in the middle of alligator land, right? It was in the swamp. Well, almost in the swamp. And so the guy, they were the couple, it was a premier ride, bro. The premier ride only paid like $31, $32. It was really just coming back onto the main or coming into civilization.
Uh-huh.
But they were so happy that I came out there and got them because there was nobody out there. That when we got to their place, which they're wealthy, bro. Let's just be honest. You got to call them what they are. Dude reached in his pocket, crisp. Here, I'll show you. Crisp $100 bill. See, I keep telling you, Eddie, you need to get one of these, right? This is a trading channel. You got to get you one of these. And every time you get a cash tip, right? Just pop the cash tip in there, bro. Just pop it in there. And you see, still folded up. Still folded up. And this is where you put your money away because of the bad times that are coming.
But now you just showed everybody where you stash your money.
You want me to show you what else is sitting right here?
Yeah, but what happens when you're not
We
there?
might get banned off YouTube, but I'll do it. But that's where I'm not worried about him. Bro, if somebody breaks into my house, shit. Damn, dog, I live in Florida, bro. I live in Florida.
Here in Texas, when people pull a knife out, they say that a Texans be like, "Ooh, he pulled a knife out!" They get so excited. Yeah, you know, I have a commuter. I have these $350 boots that I bought, but I didn't pay for them. This guy used to always see me at the. I used to be a security at the hotel, and I used to always let him in front of the line because I knew him. I was like, dude, just come on, cut the line. Come on, let's go. And I used to let him and the wife. He used to always give me $20. So I kept saving the $20. Eventually, I saved up like $350, and I saw these the boots, which are called Penny Luck, made by veterans and all that stuff, and they look really nice. Anyway, I bought them, and then I showed them to him. He's like, dude, I just want to let you know, like, I bought these new boots. Like, wow, they look really nice. I was like, yeah, you paid for them. He goes, how the hell did I do that? I was like, every time you gave me a $20 tip that I keep telling you not to give me.
Hey, Wes is like, don't do it, bro. You're gonna wind up like Jay Morant. But what if I do this? Can I just do this? Can I do that?
Oh, those are the drumsticks.
Can I do that?
Those are the drumsticks.
I mean, take your pick. You want the nice solid one through you, or do you want me to leave a hole off the backside of you? I mean, it's up to you. However you want to do this. However you want to do this, bro.
Those are
I believe
drumsticks.
while you're
You
shitting
go
on the sidewalk.
boom.
Oh man, automatically now my stream has issues. Did I freeze?
Yeah. No. No, not yet.
Okay.
Look at this. It's rejecting off the 9 EMA. Here's my put.
Anyway. All right. So I'm going to need this market to turn around here at some point and go the other way. It's there, dude. But I'm looking at the MACD. MACD's moving up.
So I'm looking at my SPY right now. MACD is looking down. Overall, the market.
I'm looking at treasuries too, right? I'm looking at the 20-year. I'm looking at TLT. It's kind of like flush for the morning. I'm looking at the 5-year or the 10-year treasury bonds. The market is extremely undecided. Dixie is down this morning, so the dollar's down. The VIX is steadied off. It's kind of down a little bit. Market's just sideways. And my buddy Omar last night, we were talking last night, and he was like, he kind of feels like the market's just going to go sideways the rest of the year. I don't know about the rest of the year, but it's definitely going sideways in the first half hour today.
I'm going to have my 10% loss on it. 10% stop. Just waiting for my SPY to choose a direction, and basically it just drops. Does the pullback to my 9 EMA. And I think I could only do that twice today if on my live paper trading account. Man, just waiting for the setup. Just waiting for the setup.
Yeah, I'm gonna need one of those serious momentum droppers. But that's all right. That's all right. We can do this. It is what it is, brother. What was I gonna say? Oh, Patty's talking about you're gonna love your boots, man. These boots.
Yeah, I don't wear them. I don't wear them.
Why? Your Daisy Dukes don't match your boots?
No, I wear these other ones that I bought just in case, like my boots would get repaired or something like that. So I bought the other ones, and I like the other ones because they have like the rubber on the bottom of it.
Mm-hmm.
And my boots have like the wood on there, so you hear the click, 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 and I'm not too fond of it.
You don't like the click, click, click?
Yeah, I don't like that the little damn wood hitting the floor sound. So I have to change it. Okay, come on, Reggie, come on.
It's just a slow moving day, brother. Just a slow moving day.
Now, if I was to go back into my paper trading account, into Tesla, still got nothing. Still got nothing. Here's my SPY. Come on, you're gonna break it down. It looks like it's gonna break down. There it goes.
Yep. This is what I'm waiting on. I'm waiting on this breakdown.
I'm waiting for the break. Watch this. Watch this. Look, see the green line? green line. It's going to be crossing over the yellow line.
So your green line is your EMA
My 9 EMA crossing over my VWAP.
to the downside.
Yep.
That what it's doing? It's going to
I
the
have
downside.
found out through my Instagram that some people are watching me. They're asking me questions, and they were like, "Hey, it's just." They see me that I put the lives on my trading, and they're like, "Hey, what do you use?" I was like, "Dude, just go to my description, download Webull, all right, paper trade the account, and and I have a 9 EMA and I have a VWAP, and every time the 9 EMA crosses over the VWAP, then that's when I usually make my trade."
All right. So I had to my suction cup on my dash cam
Uh-huh.
that attaches to the windshield, it gave
Yeah.
up on me.
Ooh.
It gave up on me, bro. It just
And your
gave
phone
up.
fell, it broke. Cracked the
Not my
screen.
phone, my what you call it? My dash cam. So it wouldn't hold up anymore. So I had to order another one last night, and I was pretty happy when I found out because I was 10% weak. What?
Oh, and by the way, whoever owns a Tesla and does ride sharing and puts the suction cup on it, the vegan leather, it eats away at the vegan leather. So you have to make sure you have to remove it, wipe it down, and then put it back up there. The chemicals that are made, the suction cups are made out of, it looks like it
Why would
eats
you
like
put
it eats
why would you
away.
why would you put a suction cup on your leather?
No, on the Tesla, you know how it's plastic at the top?
Why would you put a suction cup on anything else other than glass?
Yep. Well, people do it, especially on the Tesla.
They make a pad that you can sit on top of your dashboard and then put a suction cup on it.
Yeah, but I found that out. You watch YouTube videos because people don't know how to where to put the suction. That's why I put my suction cup on the back of the TV.
On the back of the what?
On the Tesla, on the back of the TV, it's a flat screen, so you could put a suction cup and then fold the
I
thing
don't
forward.
understand why people would want to do that. The suction cups are meant for the glass. They're not meant
Yeah,
for
but
material.
Tesla's it's got a big, humongous glass in the front
So you get the
windshield.
right suction cup. I guess. I don't know.
So
Don't mind me. I'm just, I don't know. That don't make sense to me, bro.
well,
Good
it
morning,
does.
Richie. Morning, Rich. Rich is in the house. My buddy Rich. Well, anyway, make a long story short,
Hey, who's J.A. Morant?
Jay Morant. Yeah, it's a basketball player. He plays for Memphis Grizzlies. He got
He
popped
says
in a strip. He got popped in a
says
strip club waving
he
a
says
gun.
don't do it. Well, Wes said don't do it, Vinny. You're gonna be like
That's
J.A.
why I had
Morant.
that's why I had my
Oh.
magazines out. Bro, you're so
Um,
late. Oh my God, this guy's so late. He's in his own world, y'all. Don't pay him no attention.
Yeah. Hey, commuter brands. Those boots are supposed to last me like 30 years. 30 years. 12 years. But it looks like they can last me more than that. I mean, I don't even use them. But
So
I don't have to buy dress shoes for 12 years.
so yesterday I ordered my towels. They'll be here today. Like in the video, you go to a auto parts store, you pay $18 for 12 towels. I ordered 50 of them for the same $18 off Amazon.
Oh yeah, I saw that. You were talking about that. You paid so much money.
Yeah, pay attention, bro. I pay attention to your stuff. What the hell, bro? It's supposed to be boys. Richie said he went out this morning, 2 rides, $109.
Damn.
Yeah, and Ron texted us. That's good, Richie. And Ron texted us, and he was making like $100 an hour.
Really?
A lot of people are dipping, bro. They're getting back out of town. Ultra's over. I think the tennis is over. So people are getting the hell out of my town. Spring break is winding down. I'll be out today.
Yeah, I didn't go out this morning.
Out today.
I was out. I was down last night just editing my video. I ended up
Bro,
going
you
to
gotta-
bed like at 12.
You're gonna have to do a tour of a tour of your new studio, bro. The market's just flat right now.
Yep, it's not
flat.
doing nothing.
It's flat, so there's not a lot we can do on the market end of things. Just waiting for the rollover.
It's just doing
Waiting
the
for the
dom. bro.
rollover. Waiting for the
Doing the
rollover. That's all. Just waiting on the rollover. That's what I'm waiting on.
And I should have went out this morning too. Because again, the Formula, the NASCAR, whatever thing that's going on with us, that's over. South by Southwest is over. There was the rodeo, which is going on at the same time, and the golf tournament.
Bro, I like this new chart setup. This is pretty good. This is pretty gnarly. And you know this chart setup, bro? This chart setup is standard. It's a standard Webull chart. Nothing fancy. Nothing fancy. Just a standard Webull chart.
I have a
Richie's
funny-
like, oh. Richie's
I have
like,
a funny
oh.
feeling that it's not. I don't think it's the program. I think it's Uber themselves that are just basically probably blocking us.
I don't think it's, I tell you what, freaking Lyft, man. Oh my God. Where's their stock at this morning?
Pull it up. Hold on, I'll pull it up.
They're down under 10 again. They closed under 10. They're down under 10 again.
There's a guy that was telling me that he ordered a Lyft and it ended up costing him like $900 because he had a reserved ride, and whoever was supposed to get him canceled on him on the last minute, and he missed his flight, and then he had to pay $900. And I was like, I found a way where you can get your money back. He's like, buy like a couple of month put option for Lyft.
Uh-huh. I had
And just let it sit there until it keeps dropping.
I had a guy yesterday, Lyft Black. I'm telling you, it's so screwy because at one point Lyft Black's trying to pay under $2. This ride was 10 miles, 22 minutes, was paying $30. So I'm like, how do we go from under $2 a minute to over $3 a mile, or under $2 a mile to over $3 a mile? But the guy told me, he said, bro, I could have took a Lux Black, or I took it was only $3 more than a regular Lyft. So he said he wanted to. I'm like, okay, I'm cool. I'm good with that. But then it overpaid. It didn't overpay me. It paid me what it's supposed to pay me. Bro, I can't figure it out, man. These companies they're jacked up. All right, something bad must have just happened. Hold on a minute.
So
There it
again, now
goes.
looks like it's
Break
leading
it down.
there. 3991. You
We
haven't
got a
gone
little
lower than
reversal going on here.
3989.
Not
today.
much, just a little one.
So see if anything changes that. Another low on Coinbase. Dish Eye's lowest close since 2008 after downgrade.
That some platforms like LinkedIn and Facebook are downgrading their stream quality to HD.
They're downgrading their stream quality?
Yeah, if you go to your settings on your Restream, it says
My
note that
settings?
some platforms like LinkedIn and Facebook are downgrading stream quality to HD.
That's 720.
So
That's not good. That's 720.
I don't know. I kind of like how this is just riding the 9 EMA.
Bro, all this shit's doing is what they call barcoding. That's all it's doing is barcoding. It's the algorithm. It's the bots that are trading right now, not people. People are not trading. This is algorithm trading. This is straight up algorithm trading. It's not a good time to trade. If I wasn't already in this trade, I would not have made a trade this morning. I'm looking at the VIX. I'm looking at the dollar. I'm looking at SPY.
Oh, wait,
Everything is just sideways.
Is this the damn? Oh, this is the QQQ.
Yeah, that's what
Yeah,
that's what I'm
QQQ
trading.
is lower highs. Let me see if it makes a lower low.
Like to see a good pop down here. Let's see what this guy's talking about this morning.
Guys, last week was quite interesting, considering towards the end of the week we had the European debt crisis again, or we had another European bank at issue after the
All right, there's a little
before.
pop to the downside. A little pop, not a big pop.
Well, that's on
SPY just had a little pop to the downside,
Yep.
and the Qs
Yes,
are following.
I'm just waiting for that pullback.
All right, that
Ooh.
SPY just had a new lower day. Like I say, you just gotta kind of be patient with it right now. Just let it come to you. Some days you don't trade. M pattern 1 minute chart, Tesla, we're coming down. Eddie, you left your Tesla puts? You still got Tesla puts, Eddie?
No, that was no, it was a Tesla call. It was a Tesla call, and I just made a quick $30, but that was on the paper account. It just did a quick pop once it reached my level, and then that was it. I took it once it popped. Didn't go that much higher. Now I'm just waiting for the pullback down to the 9 EMA, and I'm watching for for it to wick, like John Wick. Dude, that freaking movie is like 2 hours and 50 minutes.
Better movies are pretty long, bro. The better movies are pretty. They got some time to them.
I'm telling you, they keep going that route. The seats are gonna become toilets.
That's funny.
Yeah.
That's funny. Bro, very, very slow morning, dude. Very slow morning.
Let it snow. Let it snow. Oh. I'm gonna put my Tesla over here. Yeah, Tesla is ranging. SPY can't seem to make a decision.
Nope. It's waiting. Everything's waiting. So it's a boring morning. It just really is a boring morning.
SPY. This is the 3 minutes.
Your MACD cross back under on the Qs.
Okay, I'm watching right now. I'm watching. Let me see. I got the 5 minute. 5 minute. It's about to do a cross also. Okay, my 2 minute is coming up to my
Hey, it's just ranging, bro. We're just in a range. Everything is ranging. They want to squeeze liquidity out of the market. You know why the market ran back up on Friday, right? Because
the bank got bought off.
no. Everybody took, or a lot of the market sentiment is that by the end of the year, the Fed will cut rates 1.25%. So You know, the Fed keeps raising the rates quarter point at a time, half point at a time. They're thinking that for the rest of the year, the Fed is going to cut rates. And if they cut rates, inflation goes on, but that's good for the market because money's cheaper. The more they raise rates, the more the more money costs. The lower the rates, the cheaper money costs to borrow and all of that good shit. So the market's priced in 1.25 point rate cut throughout the rest of the year, which I don't remember Powell saying that or anything like that. And then but what was so contrarian to that is you had one of the Fed market guys who spoke on Friday was like, no, we need to raise rates and keep raising rates. So it's like one of the Fed presidents, I forget which one it was. It's they're trying to confuse the market. Powell doesn't want a strong market. He wants a weak market. So, to try to bring down inflation. But what are you going to do, dude? These people are freaking evil. He should have raised the rates a year ago, a point at a time. 3 in a row. Bang, bang, bang.
Because they make more money out of it. The cheaper the market. Oh, dude.
And then they can let the banks fall on their faces. Bitcoin, baby. Bitcoin, as Jay Bravo would say. Bitcoin.
Ooh, there it goes. All right, look at this. My nervousness is kicking in. That means I'm about to take the trade.
Well, do your thing, buddy. Get your screen up. There's your screen.
I'm about to take the trade. "13 seconds left on this candle. Try 3. There we go. Let me see what we got here. 1 minute. Yeah. I mean, I might go for this one.
All right, walk us through it.
All right, so it cost me about $79. I have a oh, come on, don't tell me. All right, I guess I have a, nope. Damn it, I thought I changed my settings. All right, so I was supposed to have a 50% loss to a 75% win on it. This way I can readjust them when I make my trade.
Okay, what happened?
It didn't go. It didn't do it. Damn it. All right, so now I just got to readjust my, on the right-hand side, this is my option right here. This is where my stop is all the way down here. So I'm just going to wait until I hit my, I guess, 50% or higher. That's the idea, or 50-50. But the reason why I'm doing it is because my 9 EMA crossed over the VWAP to the downside. I got separation. All right, and I'm just gonna let it play. Let it play. Poof. Just maybe make this smaller and make. So this is my option right here. $79 it cost me. This is my stop all the way down here, which I could actually move up. Yeah, that's a bit high. And all right, let's see how long, see, I'm watching my 30 minutes. Yeah, I got really no resistance down here until it starts hitting these lines, this little purple line right here, or whatever color it is, blue, whatever, neon. That's my 21 EMA. All right, and then the 45. But again, green crossed over, my 9 EMA crossed over my orange. Now I'm just going to hold on to it, see if I can get about 50 to 75% on my option.
Volume is weak on everything, dude.
Whoa, whoa.
It is just Richie. I think he needs to raise it a
With
full
off the
point.
Credit cards. It does. I mean, we get those numbers back and forth, but even scarier is if businesses can't get credit. Sadly, that's where the economy gets really, really messed up. It's one thing about consumer credit, but if all of your banking credit fails or freezes, and people aren't willing to loan out money, I mean, it would dry up a lot of things. It would have way more effects than you think. Again, think about bonds. Think about raising capital for all these different companies. If you can't move around credit, people can't get loans, people aren't going to do deals. It's just like that is where Pandora's box becomes open. You're wrong. The banks are fine. That's what Janet said. You don't believe her.
So I took a small position,
It doesn't matter what I
two
believe.
contracts in at 23,
But
currently at 26 on the
according to
QQQs,
Powell,
308
Yellen,
puts for
we
today.
know that the banking
Now
system is stable.
we're looking
sound,
to
and
see if we can
resilient.
get back and
Thank
break
you.
below 310.97.
Bonds are
Low a
breaking out
day
more.
right now is 310.72.
First Republic is selling off.
310.97
So that's
is
one of
the
those
high
giving
from
it up.
Friday.
Good morning. Did you just wake up, Daniel? What's up, man? Good morning.
So that's where I'm at right now. Looking to try to recover, man. I got a lot of recovery to try to do. Doesn't mean I'm going to recover. I know I'm going to take a loss on the day. I just know it. It's a matter of how much of a loss I'm going to take on the day. All right, we're starting to come down a little bit here for whatever reason. Not sure what the reason is here. But we can see we got a nice drop here going on. New low a day in on the Qs. 310.55. We're in this zone. Hard to see that zone, but hopefully you guys can see it in there. Contracts that I am in, these particular contracts are up 50%. Let's see if this was just a flash.
Technically, I'm up 24% on this. 2 minutes. Not oversold yet. Mac is really down there.
That's your next level. So where we closed, 3973 to 3970, filling the gap pretty much, and then back to 3960. Nice job on the random.
You're in a
play.
trade, right, Eddie?
Yep, I'm still on the trade. I'm still up 20%.
Unrealized, resilient, sound, and stable capital gains.
I'm still in my trade.
Oh, Dallas Fed. We missed it, huh? That came out 2 minutes ago. Dallas Fed came in negative 15.
That's
So
a
right
good
here,
thing.
that was the low, though. So that could be even an inflection point. Google's
Yep,
flush.
I'm
Yeah, it was
expecting a
bad.
pullback right here.
Low is July, but it's one of your. I think that's the lowest reading on Dallas Fed in a year, or excuse me, since the beginning of the year.
So let's see how the market reacts. We had the initial flush off the bad news. Let's see if it still comes down. See if this is going to be just a slight pullback. If that was the first leg.
Wow, your screen comes out so much clearer than mine.
Well, when I was thinking about this last night, on this computer, the one I'm on now,
Keep running.
Uh-huh.
right?
Watch out.
These two monitors are
3970.
1080p monitors.
Nasdaq might go red. Nasdaq is
Okay.
only up 0.06 right here.
So,
Random play.
but
with
if I
Apple,
move over to the other
240,
computer, right, those three monitors, the 34s,
I think
Yeah.
are 1440s. So it's going to be a little tighter. That's why I said I played around this weekend. This screen that you're looking at
I
now
think the data
is
I mean, it
Webull's
doesn't look
standard
good
chart
in
setup.
terms of recessionary, but it's good for
So
inflation.
that's where I'm at,
but
and that's what I'm
So
showing. I don't know.
it's mine.
it's gonna be,
When you go to mine, does it look like
I would
clear
say
or no?
Yeah, it's clear.
foggy?
No, it's clear. No, it's clear.
It's,
bigger focus is
excuse
definitely.
me,
I can see it.
clear.
Maybe it's because I'm looking at my own screen.
Oh, it's clear,
All
bro.
right.
You can see clearly now. The
What does it take to
screen
get in on
is
Ally
gone.
credit default swaps? I don't know. I don't think you could buy them. I think you need a ISDA, or you're going to need a little bit more. You might,
Okay.
though. It depends.
I'd like to
Contact
see
your broker, but I'm
like
pretty
to see
sure
the
you can't
Qs get
them.
under
You
310.
might be able to find like tools or like something that
Let me see. I
reflects
got the
like
Qs
ghetto
right here.
swap.
193,
TYD is just
I
a
guess.
levered,
It's for
IE.
the
so it's like TLT but levered up. It's like UVXY of bonds, but it's not the move index. So coin off the
you know what?
bottom. First green candle here of the day.
I like my It's just that I see more down movement. That's the thing.
What do you mean? Yeah, I mean,
Well, I'm up at 30%, and I'm watching the 5 minute right here coming up to the 200.
right.
But this is my 200 MA, so there it goes.
VIX is starting to run a little bit. These contracts are starting to move a little bit for me, back in my favor.
I'm getting ready to sell.
You can't hear, right? You can't hear the anything. It's just you and me, right?
Yeah, I don't hear anything in the background right now.
Okay.
Hey. Okay, there we go. I sold it. What did I make on this? Like 30% on it? No. It was a 20% gain on it. Now I'm looking to play it again on the pullback, but I'm probably not going to hold on to it longer.
Tesla's down. Wes is looking good in his puts right now. I don't know what puts he got, but he's looking good in them. Nvidia's down today. It just went red. NASDAQ is now red. Barely, but it's red.
Okay, great. Let me go into my, there we go. Let me grab. Maybe. It's just that this. There we go. One more trade I got. One more trade. My put right now that I'm buying is about $80. Somewhere around there again. See, now I'm getting to the point where maybe I shouldn't.
Patience is everything, my brother.
I'm waiting for it. So I basically turned a $80 put into a $97 put.
Okay. $17. That's good. It's 20% almost.
17, 18, let me see. Yeah, 18.88. All right. I'm going to do it again, buy the ask. I'm buying the ask here, a 84 put. Okay, there I am. I have my 50% stop on it. Let's see if we get continuation past this 396.36. I'm a little nervous. I am a little nervous.
Control your emotions, brother. Let the charts tell you what's going on. You know what I mean?
Play the strategy. So I am
That's it.
up.
Don't break your rules.
I'm up 18. So I do not want to lose anything more than 18 or 18%.
Hey, Wes says on his Tesla puts, he's up $133. Just need a little more, and he won't have to work Uber. I love it, Wes. I love it, bro. That's the whole goal. Oh, it's just there's no in what we're trading, there's just no real volatility. It's just small potatoes today. Small potatoes. Small potatoes. This is trading, bro. This is it. I will be on live soon. Y'all the ones got me back into this. Bro, don't blame us, but we want you on. We want you to come on the show, bro.
Yeah.
You're like us. You have a good, solid, basic understanding, and you're in it to win it. And so, I'm game with that, bro. You're welcome anytime. You, Patty, Richie, but Richie would have to turn off Hallmark. So if he's not going to turn off the Hallmark channel, I can't have him on. Copyright, all that shit.
Oh yeah, that's right. I didn't think about that.
Richie's good at, he's the last month he's been yelling at me about T-bonds, treasury bonds. Take the guaranteed 3-4%. Well, now it'd be 3.5% on the 10-year. It's like 3% on the 2-year, but it's guaranteed money. But if you tie up $100, you're only going to make 103 back. I mean, what the hell? That ain't no good. Eddie, are you wearing your lucky $350 boots?
Hell no.
You got on your shit. You got on your shit kickers, bro?
No. No.
Why not? Yeah, of course, Patty. Hey, bro, I'm dead serious. You guys are with us every morning, and I appreciate it. I don't think Eddie appreciates it, but I appreciate it. Eddie's a little he's feeling his emotions over there right now.
Oh yeah, like pretty bad right now.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
You got to stop, bro. Just relax. Just relax. Relax. What you gonna do, bro? What you gonna do when Hulkamania runs wild on you? Boring morning, bro. Boring morning. I'm gonna wind up trading most of the day. Trying to save my ass over here.
Come on. Come on. I know you don't want to go up. There he goes. He just wants to pop to the downside. It's wicking. It's wicking. It's wicking.
Which way is the rocket ship firing?
Down, baby. Down. It's just poof. There it goes.
Well, I'm looking to see on this mini trend line if it's if it flipped it to, even though it wants to come down, it's kind of flipped it the other way right now.
But it's not my option is really just not moving. It is, but the wick to the bottom is just really killing me right now.
VIX is starting to run. Dollar has climbed back up a little bit, but it's technically ranging.
Percentage, let me see. I'm down 4%. Damn it. All right. I'm selling. I'm just gonna take my profits where it is, and then I'm done for today.
Okay.
I'm done.
You done?
Now I'm gonna go into my other account, and this will be just practice.
So CC's like, bonds give you inflation plus 2%. Mine are at 9% right now. That's awesome, bro. Like, I don't understand T-bills that much, But I know you got to sit and wait on it. Shit. That's what got the banks in trouble. People started taking their money out, and they can't cash those bonds out for liquidity because they're not ready to mature. They lose money on them.
Yeah, there was something that I was listening to where he buys on Mondays he buys 2-day options, and then on Tuesdays he buys 1-day options. I think it is because I think they expire some contracts expire like on what is
They're
it,
timed out.
Wednesdays,
There's
Tuesdays,
3 months,
Thursdays,
no,
and
3
Fridays.
months. No, 3 months, 6 month, 1 year, 2 year,
Okay.
10 year. I thought.
Yeah.
Looking
See,
for the
good thing.
cues.
Good thing
Go
I
ahead.
got out. No. Good thing I got out of my trade. It's just it
Looking for
popped,
the
but it
cues
didn't
to
go
reject.
like any lower. So
Well, I'm looking for the cues to reject this 310.89, which was Friday's close. That was the high of day on Friday. Looking for it to reject. Looks like it wants to push. I might have to bust out of these contracts.
but I'm also
Oh,
looking
there's
at
the rejection. Come on. There's a rejection. There's a rejection off the 310.98, 89, 310.90. Dollars up. Come on.
come on, Reggie, come on.
Looking to see if that was a fake out or not.
Yeah, I'm marking my low of the day. Now this is gonna be the MAT strategy.
Not the MD. You going with the MD strategy, bro?
Yeah, well, I'm in Tesla right now. Let me see. Tesla,
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
SPY.
Uh-oh.
I really not I'm just waiting for it now to come like right back up to the consolidate before it gets to the high or the low of the day, and then take my trade from there. But now it's just basically just sit and wait. But the reason why I changed into a $10,000 account, because I'm assuming I'm only using 10%. So what I'm thinking is that I keep looking at my profits when I'm playing with a small account. I
You
keep
should be
looking at
looking
it.
at profits. Look at
Yeah,
percentage. That's what
I
we
gotta look
talk
at the
about.
percentage, or I just gotta stop looking at it overall. And if it makes the move, trade it, and just don't look at it.
Everything is about percentage, bro. You got to look at the percentage. That's all you can look at. You can't look at nothing else. You start looking at the dollars, you're going to get tripped out. You're going to put yourself into an anxiety situation. What the hell? It's good crack watching you guys go from driving on Main Street to trading on Wall Street. Yeah,
Yeah. Like
yeah.
the
I have
reason
because
why
I'm
I
losing
called my
more and more
channel,
hair
watch
every
me
day.
lose my money.
I don't understand. How does that correlate with what Patty's saying?
Because
What are
a
you
lot of
talking about?
people will want, like, the reason why I called my channel, you watch me lose my money, it's like you get addicted, and then
No,
people
no, no, no,
want to
no.
see what
What
happens.
he's saying, yeah, but what Patty, I think what Patty is saying is it's motivating to watch people try to move from one thing to another.
Uh-huh.
It's motivating. I don't think it's like people necessarily want to really see you lose your money,
But I
but they
want
might.
yeah, but Patty's wondering, what are we gonna make it? Well, no, am I gonna make it or am I gonna fail?
What is this eye shit? What are you on here by yourself? Okay,
Ooh.
see you.
Well, no, but I got everything on the line here. Every day. Gotta be positive though. Gotta be positive. I need more coffee. I need more coffee. Don't do drugs, kids.
You miss me yet? You didn't miss me, bro. Oh, now you're not here, so now I got to bring up my stuff because Eddie's someplace else. Oh, we're looking for it to hold this level, hold below this level right here. It's a boring day, y'all. Sorry about that. Not trying to be boring. Really not trying to be boring here. But it's a little bit of everything's kind of in a small range. Market kind of broke up a little bit this morning, but now it's trading below opening. I'm in the queues, couple contracts here. Couple of 308 puts for today. My to me from the weekend. But we're doing all right. We'll be okay. Just slow, low volatility day on the big boys. Tesla's down a little bit. It's ranging. Everything is ranging. Did you get your coffee yet?
It's being made. I want one of those robots.
What robots? Get you a wife. It's the same shit.
If those robots come out, I ain't gonna need one. What's the name of that movie coming out? And they make these
I don't like when I'm
wife robots, and they basically the guy picks. They got money. They pick at the girl that he's like, oh, I want my wife to look like her. And what they do, I think, is they kidnap that particular person. They put them in a reprogramming thing, and they erase their brain, and then they reprogram them to be, I guess, submissive to the person that bought them. And then it starts coming out.
Hold on. Oh,
Uh-oh.
go ahead.
Oh,
Go ahead.
and then it starts coming out that the girls start basically regaining get back consciousness, and that they were and then they start figuring out that they were kidnapped.
I don't know nothing about that.
Spy, here is Tesla. Bring it on, baby.
I don't regret taking the chance Friday, but I don't regret it. Don't regret taking a chance on Friday. It's all good.
Well, Tesla MACD is curling. RSI is heading up. Could this be another green line over the yellow line cross? Possibly.
There, where you at? Bring it up.
Oh no, this is this will be SPY. Tesla is coming up to the VWAP. Let's see if it goes to the VWAP, pops, pulls back, and there goes my trade.
Are you in?
No, not yet.
What are you waiting on? What are you waiting on?
I'm waiting for my setup, bro.
What are you waiting
I'm
on?
waiting for my setup. Now I'm pretending I got. Oh, by the way, on my well, hold on. Let me see if this works. I am waiting for my trade. Yeah. Hold on.
I'm not
Vinny,
saying anything. What?
I am your father.
What? The hell you talking about? Are you
Does my
still
voice
trying
change?
to? No, it didn't.
God damn it!
And if you're my
Yeah,
father, where's my allowance?
they call the penny luck. By the way, commuter, there's a penny on the bottom of my boots.
Bro, you are
If you
so
look them
late
up, they
on
call
your
penny luck. You know how you get a lucky penny?
You are so late on your comments.
No, I know that, but I just realized that there's a penny. He said, because I was just reading, it's lucky. That was like, hey, you know, they're called penny luck for a reason. There's a penny on the bottom of it. Isn't that illegal though?
I have no idea. Why
To
would
use
it
a
be
penny
illegal
like
to have
that?
a Why? What? Why would it be
So
illegal?
you're supposed to use penny as a kind of like a currency exchange.
I don't know what the hell you talking about. Anyway, you want to read that, Patty? My man, Patty.
Oh, it's good to see you guys helping each other along. Watch to see you the progression and hopefully learn some things. Yeah, that will benefit me too. Yeah. Hey, I don't want to lose. I don't want to lose. I don't want to lose. But if I don't do nothing, I'm not gonna get anywhere. You know.
That part.
So yeah, I mean, win or lose. If I don't do anything, you know, I'm not gonna know. So and by the way, you have to lose. I mean, I'm expecting to lose for me to because that's what I want to learn. I want to learn how not to lose. So I need to learn how to lose.
Amen.
Be able to see it coming.
Amen.
Um,
Preach.
yeah.
Preach. Preach.
And I can't sit around and wait for people. You know, you pay people left and right to learn, and then all they do is they just keep throwing you videos and stuff. It's like, dude, I was like, it's just I don't know. I could watch the videos like left and right. It's like, oh, okay, I get it. But when I start doing it in real life, the pattern is not the same as I keep seeing on the videos. And then I end up losing. Oh, but the warrior trading. Oh, Ross, man, I should put his link up. You know that I get commission. Ross Cameron.
Q's just broke through lower day. Are we going to break down below this area?
Tesla's really coming down.
Here we go. We're going to break out of this zone.
I need to see consolidation before it hits. Sideways movement. Oh, so exciting. Where's my piece?
The hell is that?
Someone's knocking on my door.
FBI, open up!
Isn't that what it sounds like, y'all?
FBI, open up!
Are we going to hear an arrest live on the air? Is it an arrest live on the air?
Hold on. Sorry.
I think we're going to get an arrest live.
Hold on. Give me a call. I got an investigator here.
Sorry,
Yes, sir.
for a visit. You're Harry, right?
Yes, I'm Eddie.
Eddie.
Yes, sir.
Or
HERIPERT. It's a paint that says
Yeah,
say Eddie.
yeah. Okay, so you were working at the W Hotel. July 20th.
This is about the W Hotel.
Yeah, nothing with the W Hotel. Let me explain.
Oh, okay.
So the W Hotel, you were working there as a security guard on July 25th,
Okay.
2020. Okay. You were working with Daniel.
What the hell's going on?
And Jose Mesa. security
Yes, I
guard.
remember Jose.
So you were walking around that night. This is the night that the guy got shot. You heard the
Yes.
gunshots?
Yes, that was the day of the protest.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So can I show you the
Oh, shit.
report here?
Yeah.
Just read it. It's like 3 paragraphs, so you can remember it.
Oh, dude, that night.
It's crazy. Huh?
That was the night. That was my turnaround night. And I was like, I can't work anymore. And I was shortly a couple months.
No, it's an investigator. He's in the cartel. It's an investigator from the BLM protest that happened. There was somebody
Yeah.
shot there.
Black Lives Matter with the majority of them
Yes,
all
sir.
white.
Yeah. Do you remember the guys?
I thought I was joking too, Patty. What the
they
fuck?
said they were at Trace Restaurant. They went against the patio outside.
Yeah, correct. They were harassing they all had masks.
Yeah.
It's some real shit, man. Oh shit.
Did you see anybody with a, see people with rifles out there, guns?
No, they were out. They were out on. If I'm facing away from the W Hotel, one was on the left hand side of the crowd, northeast, and the other one was southeast. That's where they were standing.
The crowds.
Correct.
Yeah.
That's where they were standing, and then the crowd was basically in the center towards the hotel. I remember the black guy that was jumping on top of the car with the speakerphone, and the girl that had a hissy fit when I started recording.
Oh, you started recording?
Yes,
Yeah.
and then that's what's just going through my head. Hold on. All right, this is a while ago, and I was trying to show it as an example for my daughter.
Oh, man.
Hold on.
This is happening live. Live on the air. This is Cuz TV live on the air from Cuz TV. Exclusive.
You love my setup, but I need
Man, that's nice.
But I have I'm almost there.
I know. That's locked before.
Oh, you come here before?
Yeah, I've been here
Yeah.
on Friday. I thought you might be driving Uber or something.
Yeah, correct. I do. I have to find a way out.
They know he drives Uber.
All right,
Did
I'm
you
gonna
hear that?
comment says on the video.
Did y'all hear that?
With another phone.
Wow.
And I remember
Uber had to cooperate with him, or they've been following him.
She's 13 now.
Yeah, sure is. Showing that.
Huh? Yeah. We went from boring to what the hell? Oh shit.
I don't remember the guy that had, but they left. They left, and I was outside, and shortly after, I heard gunshots. I think I heard like 5 first,
Bro, the fact that they know he drives Uber
and then I
either
heard
means they've been watching him,
more shots.
or some kind of way they know that we drive Uber without knowing that we drive Uber.
No, I know which one you're talking about.
How is that possible? I want to know.
But no, there's so many people out there. Oh, this would be great if I actually find it.
You still have real thumb.
Meanwhile, while all that's going on, the market's crashing. The market's coming down. Still holding these two contracts. United 23. I'm now up 115% on these two contracts. I'm still getting my ass handed to me on the other ones. Get down to the next zone. My 305s might move a little bit. I can recover some of it.
But no, well, you can go ahead and ask questions. I'm not exactly sure.
No, I have. I got the video from the W security.
Carlos, you are correct.
You have a camera.
Yeah,
Right there. But
Let him come with a warrant. He just opened the door up.
I've got the whole crowd walking down, and it's very clear.
Yeah.
You can see it. Is it possible I could just get you to look at that?
yeah, what do you have?
I gotta get my computer.
Yeah, yes, sir.
It won't take me a minute to pull it up.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah, I get it on the right spot for you.
Uh-oh. He might be off the air in a minute. Good move, Wes. Good move, buddy. Sorry, we got our combination of CNN and Fox going on over here today, y'all. Oh shit. Somebody, oh my God. I don't know, but ever since that dude showed up, man, the markets have been going south. So he needs to hang out a little bit for me.
Oh, there's some good stuff. All right, I'll let you know.
We're listening, bro. We're listening.
Oh, okay. All right.
Don't have me on
just in
speaker, though.
case.
Hey, don't
Oh,
have
you're
me.
not. You're on my headsets.
Okay.
Oh, some good stuff.
Hey, y'all heard that, right?
All right.
This is live. Police audit live.
FBI, open up!
I just twist the knob. Just pull it up first. Yes.
Oh, meanwhile, I'm riding these contracts up.
Thank you.
Contracts up.
No, I'm actually a little excited. I mean,
You know, it's funny because
Watching the
I never been involved.
on a dime.
some
I
people,
see some stuff out there, and then you know how many times people call the cops and they just don't come. But the reason is because the VIP don't have it.
it sucks. It really
You
does.
know, they does his thing, and then I'm trying to tell my security that like we need to do something because the hotel is all windows, and the first people gonna get hurt are the employers, right? Yeah. Not only that, if people start running and they're not from the hotel, where are they gonna hide? All the doors are locked.
Right. Well, you know, and the people across the street that night, you know, Hanley Apartments, that's.
There was a guy that was speakerphone
Who's that?
saying, "Get a job."
Who was there?
There's somebody out there with a speakerphone.
And that
It was
was that
saying,
one.
"Get a job." And just in case you go ask my boss, that was the boss at that time.
Can we get down to 309? Can we get down to the next zone?
Were you-
309.10? Is that my next zone? Yeah, about 309.10 is my next zone. Can we get down to that next zone?
How long you work at
These contracts closed at 73. Actually, the contracts closed at 77 last Friday.
Oh, you really?
I could possibly get up $100 on these contracts. I go a long way to bringing my account back from where I freaking did a boneheaded play.
You were working for Marriott
Correct, yeah.
in Puerto Rico.
Correct.
You know, I had a friend that worked in Vegas casinos. They got bought out by Marriott.
309.37. We're hunting 309.10. You guys can see what's going on over there on my left chart.
I got this video. It's pretty clear, so.
NASDAQ just broke below.
See, the columns block the view because where they go to the restaurant right over there.
SPY is still continuing to come down. It's into
And
another
the
zone.
guy that was sitting at the table, he's an idiot. Putting his fist up like they do, they come here to basically beat you to death.
Contracts are right. We are absolutely 85-0. Book 'em, Dano. I don't know, bro. Hey, I don't know if it's a private
That's a camera.
investigator
That's
or an actual law enforcement officer. I have no clue, dude.
Like a news guy or?
I don't know, but he's got.
Yeah, you ain't lying, bro. You ain't lying. I wouldn't let him in either.
I remember him.
There's a scooter.
Yeah, but one of the guys, the little black guy, jumps on the car, and starts talking.
Now Eddie wants to pull a Joe Biden and whisper. What the hell?
The reason why I know this guy with a skateboard is because he's huge.
Oh,
He's
yeah.
got a little skateboard. And he rides around downtown all the time. And he was in this crowd.
So I see these guys coming here. I don't know if they have any weapons or not.
Yeah, no, Of course, they look, the one with the backpacks and stuff, they look like, even the guy with the cameras, he looked like Antifa too. But they did have, cameras.
Oh man, these contracts. I tried to sell it. I remember I had a sell order here at 60 and I didn't take it. I canceled it.
So
Let's see if this is just a little pullback.
See,
See if we got a little pullback happening here. This is gonna be a short pullback or a
or
hard pullback up.
Mhm.
But almost got into this next zone. You see how fast these contracts are?
where I was at this moment in time.
I give him back $28 on that.
He's got a gun.
Yeah, no, the guys with the guns stay on the outskirts. It
Hitting
looks
the
like-
9 EMA on the left-hand
Yes.
chart. I know you guys are trying to listen over there. I'm listening too, but I got to watch my money. See what's going to happen here at the 9 EMA. See if this is a bounce.
So here's a girl right here. That's just being pushed.
Oh man,
Oh,
still up 102%. I'm taking one now. All right, so one contract out at 47, got in at 23, so I doubled my money on that contract. Still holding one.
That was the guy that was being accompanied, was accompanying her the whole entire time, right?
Yes.
And he's the gentleman that actually got shot.
Yeah, this is like
Now we'll see what happens the rest of the way.
that.
Because now it's like the money I invested originally, which was $46 in these two
Yeah,
contracts,
they were
gotten that money back out.
And then, yeah,
Now basically this contract that's here is a profit contract.
At
I
least-
just want to see if it's gonna
He didn't have any again.
did you see?
dollar strengthening because Bitcoin's moving down.
I knew there was one, I saw the one standing all the way up on the right hand side and it looked like an AR,
Christ,
but I could not see the gentleman on the northeast. That's the one I couldn't, because the crowd was right there,
Right.
you know, and I knew he was somewhere out there because they were basically, you could tell they were basically away from the crowd, but they were keeping an eye out.
Right.
But I couldn't tell. I know if I'm sure the one on my right, looked like an AR, but I could not see what the other gentleman had.
But you were out there like several nights when they were protesting.
Yes, correct.
Did you see?
We were
other nights?
communicating with a gentleman from security from something labs.
So you see that purple line in there is where I sold the contract
Oh, yes.
at 47, which is right between the yellow is my warning
And
to
then
get
he
in
would
the cell.
communicate with us. And he was like,
Green should be my cell.
So
So 47, 60, so 60, 47. It's a $13 swing I gave up.
but her,
Always stick
Yeah.
to your
I
rules.
did not see. I mean, she's really down there.
And like the other nights, you remember seeing her or the guy around?
I don't know. I can't remember.
Anybody with any weapons, long
I
knives?
can't remember. No, not of long guns. I think, some gentlemen had sticks,
Mhm.
some kid had sticks,
No habla inglés.
the bats.
Whatever happened to the Shaggy defense wasn't me.
Yeah.
Oh, that's hysterical.
All right, man, that's pretty much what I need to ask you.
But her, I never saw. I only found out about her until after. Because I could never.
Yeah,
she's-
yeah, I got it.
I was like
Yeah.
right there, and my whole concentration was on the guests that they were actually going after,
Okay,
that were eating at the restaurant.
so this is a subpoena, okay? It's for April 3rd, which is next Monday, but if, I'm saying if, like you haven't got a subpoena from the state, you try to sign that.
Not that I don't know.
Okay. Well, then.
I move around. That's why.
If.
Did you need me to go to the?
Well, that's what I'm saying, we'll let you know this week, okay?
Inverse. Yeah, I'm looking at it. I've got SPY up on my charting over here. I see it.
Now it's not up to me.
So we should see more downside here. I see it, Wes.
Yeah.
And if they don't think that it's like, you're gonna help with the trial because it's not that important, then you just saw it and see.
Inverse head and shoulders on a downtrend means we should see more downside.
But how do
I
I
would
know
think.
when they're releasing
I remember correct. The probability
If you don't
is
hear anything by Friday, call me,
Okay.
okay? Call me Friday morning, and then that way I'll ask returns. You're gonna need him next week or not.
All right, and this is for the 13th.
Third, that's next Monday.
On a downtrend?
Okay.
The trial actually
What?
starts today, they're picking the jury.
Today?
And
This
the,
is years ago.
and this, well, in COVID, they shut the courts down. And, so now the trials are catching up. But
And this is the 94 that they gave you?
Ah, you know what, Wes? You're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. You're right.
You
You're
can
right.
see from the,
You're
from the
right.
restaurant.
It's a probability that it's going to short-term
You can
reverse.
see, yeah, the one from the restaurant, I believe you can see the guy with the, that was.
My bad, Doc.
Inside.
Yeah, I'm not worried about the
Are
pop.
you zoomed in or is this the camera zoomed in?
Well, a little bit I'm worried about the pop.
But I looked at the other ones, this just seems like where I can see those people.
Yeah. Those are the ones we really want to look at.
And then we should get another punch down. See what happens here.
Appreciate your time, thank you so much. You said that, you're the other.
Because I got the exact same thing on the cubes.
That's me.
This is next.
Jesus.
Yeah.
Yeah, he just came out from the hospital, man.
Yeah.
He needs to be on insulin right now.
Who's the other guy? Woodmansey?
I think you're talking about Cooper. Cooper.
Nathaniel.
Oh, the guy's fishing now. Eddie's giving up people.
He's supposedly in the office. He's on that report.
Oh, Nathaniel.
Yeah, he's a little.
Nathan. Yeah, but he was in the office looking at the cameras probably.
Yeah, he's not. It's like, I don't want to talk to you. I don't want to tell you. You know? But, and who was the guy you were talking about? That was the boss.
Yeah, it was just he kept calling me on the phone saying, "Hey, what's going on over there?" I was like, "There's a protest going on, okay, that might turn into a riot."
You ain't lying, bro.
He's like, "Oh, what's going on?" I was like,
You ain't lying.
I was like, "He's like, oh, yeah, all right, stop calling me right now."
Yeah.
All right. I forgot his name. I think his name is Josue something.
He's still.
And then even though the hotel managers, the restaurant managers,
Cannot
said,
believe
"Where's
this
the
is
boss?" I was
happening
like,
right
"He's
now."
home." And he goes, "Why how come he's not here?" I was like, "I don't know." You know, I said, "I don't know." What the hell am I gonna do? Like, my clients, the sitting at the restaurant, he's got his fist up like, "Hey, I'm with you guys." Like, dude, they're protesting you. Like, they're gonna kick your ass. You need to get up and you need to go inside. But, and then me trying to stick up for the guy, and then I was like, sooner or later, they're just gonna, maybe they're gonna get stab shot, something like that. But
Really good shot.
but then shortly after they left, and I was outside, that's where I heard the shots.
Yeah.
A couple of shots, pause, and then there was a shot. I believe it was a driver that shot second. Yeah, the guy with the AK, I was like, AK, that would go right to the car.
Right to that door.
Yeah, I'm telling you. And I was like, oh, AK, you know, those
You guys hearing this?
and it was the news said that the guy with the AK shot first, and then the driver was.
You guys hearing this?
This guy was soldiers on the trial for his life. And, you know, it's I don't understand.
Right, Wes, I hear you.
So much.
Yeah.
Well, if you look at Tesla, you look at SPY, Hughes, NASDAQ, they're all inverse. The entire market's moving the exact same way
If I
right now.
run this way or if I run that way and all that stuff, but sooner or later I'm not going to be around with me. Imagine my daughter was with my ex-wife.
But I'm watching the VIX shoot back up.
It's the world we live in, right?
Bonds have steadied out.
Where you from in Puerto Rico?
Yeah, something I got to be aware of there, brother.
Puerto Rico, Hurricane Maria, kind of destroyed everything, so I had to move.
Something I got to be aware of.
Or go somewhere in Texas.
So you came straight here from Puerto Rico?
Yes. Hotel fee for everything.
What part of Puerto Rico?
Corazon, so center of the island,
Yeah.
and then I used to work for the Republic.
That dude don't know where he's talking about Puerto Rico.
Reserve.
Oh,
Dorado Beach Reserve.
beach reserve.
Dorado, yeah, Dorado.
I know they have a rainforest.
Yeah, correct. But the hotel is called the Reserve.
Oh,
It's called the Reserve.
Yeah.
And if you go to stay there, they're gonna take all your money. I think it's a minimum of 10 grand for you to stay there, just to stay.
I've been there. I've been there a long time ago. San Juan.
If you look on Spy, I've also got it's bumping up
Uh-huh.
against the down trend line. It just broke above it.
Viegas Island. You know,
Yes.
I spent a month on Viegas Island when I was like 18 years old. A radio. That's it. Just a couple.
You know, I spent like 8 years in PR. I never went to the Vieques Island or Culeras.
Yeah.
Never went.
Here, Wes, I'm going to show you the Spy.
It's
What I'm
beautiful
looking
down
at.
there. The water's beautiful. You know, they recovered.
We got a trend line. Today's trend line
God bless them. Jesus.
from here coming all the way through right there.
Corruption is so big that no matter how much money you throw at them, that's why I'm left. Hurricane Maria, I know they weren't going to recover.
Yeah.
I mean, I think it was $30 billion that they got.
There's the trend line for Spy right now.
Even the government.
On the 1 minute,
Yeah. They shot the capital. The government. They were like,
there's the 5
and
minute,
He didn't want to go.
Yeah.
But they didn't want to go. They were going to hang him.
15
They're
minute.
owned by the people.
Where to go and get hanged. Right?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Do you go by Ed?
Eddie.
Eddie. Okay. All right. No more Tesla.
No, not for now.
I didn't see a Tesla. I'm like, I don't see a Tesla. I don't know if he lives here or not. But
Yeah, no. It used to be a Tesla.
How the hell they know he's driving a fucking Tesla?
Okay. Thanks, Ed. Eddie.
How they know he's driving a fucking Tesla? What the fuck is going on here?
Oh.
Bro, your camera's out. I need to see your face when I ask you these
No.
questions. We all have questions.
Hold on. Oh, this is not good. I didn't charge my battery. And yes, I ordered
Bro.
the other battery.
Bro, I got two
All right,
questions
hold on.
for you. Oh my God, this guy. By the way, you need to bring that guy back. He was good luck. The whole time you were talking to him, the markets were going down.
Ah, battery's gonna die. Battery's gonna die. Battery's gonna die. Dude. So, subpoena. That was the really quick before it goes. The protest riot.
Yeah, we got all that.
The girl in the wheelchair and the guy that got shot.
Okay,
I
two
was like,
questions. Two questions. How the hell they know you drove a Tesla? And how the hell they know you drive for Uber?
Because this was back at the W Hotel, and that's when I was driving my Tesla when I was at the W Hotel.
So how the hell they know you drive for Uber?
Private investigator.
How the fuck did he get that information unless they're watching you?
No, it was at the hotel. They spoke
Bro,
to a lot of
Were
the
you
guys.
driving Uber then?
Yeah,
Oh,
for a little
okay.
while. Yeah,
Bro,
it was in between. Yeah, it was in
Everybody's got
between my
questions for you.
transaction.
Look at your chat. Everybody's got questions.
So this was the incident that happened in Austin where there was a guy basically in full gear, and he had the AK, and they left the hotel. They went a couple of blocks away, and then at a couple of blocks away, I heard gunshots, and then it came out in the news that the gentleman with the AK shot in the direction and or at the driver. Driver was packing a 45, and driver shot back, and then that was
Oh,
the
this is that story.
yeah.
Oh, okay. Hey, Wes is like, bro, you're a narc. I got to go.
That was that day. That was like kind of like my turning point where I was like, am I gonna stay at this hotel and risk my life and or just go? And I found my way out. I was like, I can't do this. I'm not gonna risk my life. All we had was a phone. He's like, just call 911. I was like, 911 doesn't show up.
Right.
At one point in time, 911 told me to call 311.
What? Why
Yeah.
would you call your cell phone carrier?
No, cell phone carrier 611.
No. Here it's for me. It's 311.
Oh no, for here in Austin it's 311. It's just for
Oh no,
like-
I'm sorry. It's star three. I'm wrong. My bad, though. Bro, we were live on Cuz TV. Exclusive interview.
Oh, shit, I recorded the whole entire thing.
Patty, it is recorded. The whole thing is recorded. You need to download this this live and keep it on your computer. I'm dead serious because everything was said has been recorded.
Oh, there goes my camera. There goes my camera. I'm so sorry, guys.
All right. Patty's calling Austin the Wild Wild West. Eddie playing calls on the 15-minute inverse head and shoulders quick scalp. So Wes is correct. If you look at the SPY 15-minute chart, you're going to find an inverse head and shoulders. You might be able to get a quick pop out of that to the upside, but it's a fast one.
15 a minute. Oh, okay, I see it. I see it. Oh, damn it. Where were you? I think this was right here. Yep, so shoulder, head. No, where are you? I don't see this inverse head. Okay.
Draw a trend line.
No.
Draw a trend line down from the high of day to current, and you'll see it. Your head and shoulders can be a diagonal head and shoulders also, which is what it is. Can you see my screen?
Are you talking about? Let me see. Show
All right,
me.
you see my screen?
Yeah.
So shoulder, a head, and a shoulder. Left screen. Shoulders right here. Head's right here.
Uh-huh. Oh, okay.
Shoulder right here.
So
And you can look at
shoulder,
it-
head.
Yeah, so he's looking on the
Shoulder.
15-minute chart.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. That's where I'm at right now. Okay.
Yeah, no, it shows better on the 1 minute and 2 minute chart, but it's there. I think we're going to get a quick pop here, and then we're going to watch it come back down.
Oof. Can't believe I was involved in that stuff. Like, dude, that was like 3 years ago. I was like, they shut the courts because of COVID. I was like, this is just.
Oh, we possibly might see the Qs come back and tap this downtrend for the day, the daily, or the minute on the day. But look how that 9 EMA is just riding right there.
I don't know. I'm watching my SPY right now. Let's see. High, low of day. I'm watching that turnaround. Yeah, it's going to be good, bro. It's going to be good. I can't believe I'm getting involved in that stuff. Again, I was like, dude, it's like 3 years ago.
Good job, buddy.
3 years ago. Oh, look at that. It's literally your Tesla is riding the 9 EMA to the upside.
Read your chat.
Let me see. I'm zooming out on my 15 minute. I'm zooming out. Yeah, I see it. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Right? Am I looking at it the right way?
I have no idea. I can't see what you're looking at. Go ahead. Now I'm
Right?
looking at
Shoulder, head, and then what is that right here? Shoulder, head, shoulder.
No, I'm not.
This is the 15 minute.
Well, yeah, I mean, yeah, you'd have a shoulder, a big head, and then a shoulder. So that's what I was looking at. But I think I'm not sure where Wes is looking, because to me, you're going to see another downside to this. You're talking about Thursday, Friday, Saturday, but he's talking about short term. He's up 342 for the day. He's done. He's done trading. I'm still hanging in on this. Did sell one of these contracts at 102% profit. So I'm still holding one. I'm up 71% on that, but I'm down 83% on my contracts from Friday. So I'm still getting my ass kicked. But I made a little bit of money back.
What'd you play?
I don't
The
play,
two?
I trade. I don't play, I
Which-
trade.
Which one do you do? The Qs? Oh, okay. The Qs. Must
Yeah,
have
I'm
been
on the queues.
Ooh, it looking so nice. All right, the Qs. I'm still literally waiting for my setup.
Up. Hush. Banking system. The Fed just said that the banking system is sound.
Yeah, sure.
Bro, they're so full of shit. That news is hitting the wire right now. They're going to freaking crash the market, bro. Or they're going to cause the market to rip. It shouldn't be ripping. I mean, everybody knows the banks are not sound. Oh, they're lying to the Senate. They're lying to the Senate. Freaking people are lying. See, now I just got emotional there. Because I hate the bullshit. It's bullshit. Banking system is jacked up. Everybody knows it.
Damn, I shouldn't. No. I let him in. Now he saw.
Saw what?
Well, good thing I didn't have my company.
Well, who is private investigator? So what does it matter? Aren't you allowed
It's
to
just,
own?
no. I am. But it was. I usually have it right here next to me in case. I
Yeah,
don't know.
of course.
You know, I always have it right next to me. It happens today, I don't have it, because I was rushing this morning. But I literally put it right here in front of my screen. It's always right
I
there.
don't see the problem. I don't see the problem. He's a private investigator. He wasn't a government official.
Yeah, correct. But you know, because when I heard the knocking on my door, the first thing I went for was like,
Do you hear what? Hey. First of all, Wes, man, 12-hour shift done. Just with that insane. I remember I first discovered trading. I was like, Eddie, gotta learn. And then he says, Eddie, good thing you didn't have your blow up doll out. That's funny. That's funny.
Tama Walsh, owner, manager, Eddie Cap.
Bro, that's hysterical. I like it. That's a good one, Wes. And he had the anal baby is in a crib right now sleeping, so that's a good thing too.
So on the 13th. Okay, Google. Set up an alarm for April 13th. Call the private investigator.
Done. Your alarm call the private investigator, is set for 8:13 p.m.
No. God damn it.
You better quit telling Boo Boo to set all this stuff up.
Okay, Google. Set up an alarm for April 13th. Call private investigator.
All right. Your alarm call private investigator, is set for 8:03 p.m.
Fuck you.
Say it in Spanish. It might be better.
Okay, Google. How do you say "kiss my booty" in Spanish?
In Spanish, that's besa mi botín. By the way, I can now translate back and forth. To try it,
That's how you learn Spanish.
All right, we got a little downside move here. Bounced off my big trend line. Oh, let's see what's going to happen here. I need a flush, bro. Give me this flush. Y'all see, bouncing off my big trend line there, the big red trend line. Bang, bang, bang.
Well, mine is bouncing right off my 45.
Yes, everything seems to be moving on the 5-minute chart today. And that's
Ooh,
basically
Tesla's
because of low
bouncing
volume.
off the VWAP.
But that's because of low volume. Volume is not strong today. But
It's
Bitcoin's
very,
coming
very
down. That
slow.
usually means the dollar is going up. When the dollar strengthens, gold, silver, Bitcoin, Bitcoin, gold and silver usually go down in price.
Damn, I still have a mess here. 5-minute cup and handle. I don't know. It's looking nice. It's looking very, very nice. That is the cues. What are you waiting for? You waiting for it to hit that bottom, see what it does? Play the bounce.
If it breaks into this next zone, there's a very good possibility it'll get to the bottom of that zone. So I'm just trying to recover. I'm trying to recover, but I'm getting chewed up by time right now. Good thing it's only 11:30.
Well, let's see what happens because Wes was talking about the cup and handle on the 5-minute, and if you see on the 5-minute, the MACD just crossed to the upside.
I don't have a crossing on the 5-minute on the MACD, but I do have the oversold. RSI is down around 30.
Oh, well, no, you're looking at the cues. I'm looking at the
right
SPY.
Yeah, I'm not looking at SPY. I'm looking at the cues. I'm not focused on SPY. So that SPY is between you and West today.
Oh, there goes the cues. There goes the cues.
NASDAQ. Yep, that's what I'm waiting on.
All right, cues. I'm so excited. And I just left Friday. What happened to the music you're supposed to play in the background?
If I play the music in the background, you're going to get a copyright strike, and you won't be able to monetize your videos. So
It's so your fault.
I'm taking a long shot here. You get 40s contracts out at 8. I should be happy at 12 if I can get them up to 12. You know what? Let me change this to let me change that to 12.
See, just the pop.
I'm just trying to get some of my money back.
Sell the pop.
That's all.
Chicka boom boom pop. 309.26. 309.26. 309.26, 309.35, 36, 34, 33, 30, 30. There we go. Watching the times and sells. It's holding. It's holding. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Boom.
Q's just broke a new low a day.
But it's not strong though.
Huh?
3, 12, 13, 12. I'm just watching the QQQ times and sells. 7, 10. There we go. It's going back up. 7, 6, 5. There we go. 4, 3. No, 4. It's retracing back a little bit.
You can see now we're down into this zone. New low a day. It's broken, trying to break below 309 on the Qs. I don't know if it's going to make it there. See what happens here.
There could have been a good scalp right there.
NASDAQ's down 0.5% on the day.
Oh, there it goes again. Hold on. 15, 15, 14, 15.
All right, I'll be right back.
I don't know, Wes. I'm watching this cup and handle and the head and shoulders. But on the 15 minute, the death cross. Well, these are all my EMAs. On my chart, these are all my EMAs. What do you have for your death cross? The 200 and what else? Uh, 250. Let me put the 50 right up there.
Hey, Eddie, you realize it's 11:45,
Yes,
right?
it
We're on an
is.
hour longer than we normally are.
We are way
Which
out
is
of
fine. I don't care.
what?
I says, I don't care. I'll stay on all day. We can ride the market the whole day. I don't give a shit.
Yeah, no. I gotta
I
get
don't
back to work.
start-
I
I don't
didn't
start
go to
work
work
till
this morning. I should have, but I still have to edit my video, finish. Actually, it's uploaded already. I just need to put my description.
Well, I don't normally start my weekdays until like 5, 6 o'clock anyway. So
No, I start mine. Let me see. It's 10:46. About noon, 1 o'clock. I usually like to start it. Mondays is very slow. But because I am editing my videos late at night on Sunday, then
yeah, I dropped a video yesterday. I got to make one today and drop it for tomorrow. I'm trying to stay away from Mondays because I know you and Jeff usually drop your videos on Monday. But I got to talk about my earnings over the weekend, you know. The video I dropped yesterday, I shot Saturday, and then I just kind of let Saturday ride out. Just talk about her. I don't know, man. It's tough. It's tough. Earnings are good. They're great, but everybody's looking for that magic bullet, bro. What's the magic bullet? There's only one magic bullet, bro. You got to put in the work.
You just gotta work.
Got to put in the work.
Well, I got my 20% on my live paper trading account, so I don't think I'm gonna be doing any more trading today. I'm pretty much done. Let me see. Hold on. I got that done. I got that done. Let me get rid of that.
I'm just watching the meltdown here, bro. That's all. But I'm starting to get tripped out on time.
You think it's gonna break down?
I see it come. I still think there's a lot more downside. It made no sense on the bounce Friday. It was like a false sense of what the hell. Like, where did anybody say the Fed was gonna cut rates 1.25% by the end of the year?
Let me draw here my trend.
I'm listening to my guy, and like even he can't figure it out. SPY is just trading sideways right now. It's in a range. It's locked in 396.22 to 397.06. That's locked in a range.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for it to I don't
But
know.
I think the majority of the market is still expecting more down.
I'd be
downside.
nice if I saw like my SPY trade right back up, and just before it hits this 398.91 consolidate.
Hey, I don't want SPY going up.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
I want SPY to crash.
So
I want SPY
hopefully
to crash.
SPY doesn't. I don't want SPY to go up. Okay, to this 398.91 level and then consolidate right under it. I do not want to do that, because it'll be very, very bad news, and I would never trade anything like that. See, Tesla's about to hit a triple bottom here.
Is Tesla on a trip? Yeah, it is. Sure is.
Yeah.
Actually, technically, Tesla, that could be a head and shoulders on Tesla.
But on the 2 minute right here, head, then another shoulder. Yeah.
Yeah, an inverse head and shoulders. They damn sure is on Tesla. Looking to see Q's break new low a day. Low a day right now is 309.04. Can it break that? Are we going to dip below that too?
Let me change these.
Tech selling off. That's good for me. NASDAQ just hit low a day again. Tesla's in a bottom of a supply demand zone too. It's that triple bottom you're looking at.
Uh-huh.
193.85. Is that right?
Yeah, I have a
193.85 is
or
the
193.
bottom of a serious. What?
I have a 193.49.
All right, close enough.
But it'll be, at least it hit it twice. I'm waiting for it to hit it a third time here.
What I'm saying is, on my Tesla chart, that is the bottom of a zone. That's the bottom of a supply demand zone.
Okay.
Next stop after that, if it breaks that zone, which it looks like it's about to break out of that zone to the downside, you're looking about 190.80. That would be the next zone down. Triple Q's just set a new low a day. Q's are not on the high. What the hell is this dude talking about? The hell is this dude talking about? All right, big push down on the Qs, man. Look at this. Wow. Big push down on the Qs.
Okay, I'm trying to get into this.
Oh, it did so. No, wrong thing. I'm looking at the wrong thing. One? No, I don't want one. What the hell are you talking about? Not one. I want to get 4 out of there. Not one. Yeah.
Oh, there he goes. Okay, I just got into about 5 Tesla puts. Anyway, I was just assuming, just practicing here, the breakdown.
Yep, I hear you. What's the chances of this gets down to 307?
Just give me my 5%. I like it. There we go.
Now I just got greedy, bro. Now I just got greedy. But we're going to keep riding here.
Sweet.
My in the money. My 308 put is about to go in the money. Qs are breaking down.
Oh yeah, there he goes. There goes the Qs. Am I buying Tesla? Yeah, I was buying Tesla. This is definitely not.
That contract I'm in, I'm up 291% on right now, bro.
Nice.
That's crazy. And I sold one out at 47. Yeah, but can it hang?
I have a resistance at 190. 192. Yeah, right where it hit.
Patty said, sorry, buddy. I was looking at the charts. I missed the comment. Patty says, you got to keep getting that money, Vinny. Personally watching y'all from the other side of the pond. The Fed looks like it's lost the plot and the market's been more volatile than normal. It's crazy. Yeah, but you know, I don't know what to make of it. So it's like at this point, like my buddy Omar always says, okay, look at short term, and take what the market gives you. Don't come into the market with a preconceived notion, because if you do, you're going to get your ass handed to you. And that's a problem that I do have. That's why on these contracts, I'm down $270. I was down $320. So we made some of the money back up. But the point being is, I had a preconceived notion of what the market should do on today. And I probably called it way too early and should have waited till this morning to take what the market gave me. That's the beauty of trading. And that's the beauty of learning how to trade, is that there's always, always, always something to learn. Always. All right. This contract's about to go in the money. Y'all see this contract's in the money here? I'll bring that up there. Let's bring this back here. You can see this contract's in the money. Let's look at a time frame here. I mean, at one time this contract was, it ain't gonna get that high again, but 106 was a previous. Let's just put out some stuff here. I know it doesn't matter. These are options. I just like to have reference. So there's some reference for me. I doubt if it gets there. There you go. There's some reference for me there. Because you got people up here. You got people holding these contracts at 100. You got people holding these contracts at 157. I mean, there are legit people holding these contracts at that price. But I'm being a little greedy on my lost contracts. I'm just trying to make some money trying to make as much as I can, you know. I've scaled back today since this morning. I've come back $125. But is it going to break below 308? That's the question. We break below 308, our next stop, our next hard support is 306.96 on the Qs. I kind of expected the market to come back down. I should have waited till this morning instead of taking the risk on Friday. Amen to that, brother. Commuter branch, amen to that. Every day is school, bro. Every damn day. Always something to learn. Eddie, you still with us?
Yeah, I'm still here. I'm still here.
You can see here, Eddie, on my chart, we're at the bottom of this. You can see we're at the bottom of the zone. You see where we're at there? We're in the bottom of that zone on the left chart. We break below 308. There's a strong possibility we can get to 307. We get to 307, my other contracts are going to start turning around. It's just we needed to get there sooner than later.
Well, I gotta see. I'm trying to play off just bottom of the channel here on the SPY. Again, this is just paper trading.
No, I'm live trading, brother. It'd be 20 times 4 is what, $80?
Damn, Matthew.
These slow meltdowns are bad.
Matthew.
I hate slow meltdowns.
Oh,
Got a feeling we break below 308. It snaps down and then snaps right back up. I mean, this contract is stupid right now that I'm in. I sold the one out, took my profit. So off that profit, I'm now up $62. Actually, no. Off that profit, I'm up $87. All right, going into money here. Come on. New low a day on the Qs. We're at new low a day. Snapping right at 308.08. Are we going to break it? Ah, what did I just do there?
oh, what did you do? What did you do?
Oh, I lost the zone. God damn it. 308.22. Damn it. $309.25.
See, for me, it's running the 9 EMA, and I'm just wanted to just break down. It'd be nice if it did. If it doesn't,
All right, there we go.
but this
All
is
right, I
just
got it back.
this.
I got it back now. Got my zone back. I might have to snatch this contract out here. See what it does. Like I should have way been took the profit on this contract because it's gonna fly down. This contract will fly down.
Well, I don't know. Let's see, because it's a double. I guess. Look, is this considered to be a double bottom here? Could
Double bottom. Double bottom on what?
I'm looking at the SPY.
Oh well, don't.
Looking at the.
You got to make
SPY.
reference to what you're looking at, buddy.
Looking at the SPY.
Let's see if the Qs keep moving the way it's been moving. Banks are on the high. Tech is crashing. Just announced Disney just started their first round of 7,000 job cuts, bro. Disney's laying off.
Disney's in some big trouble now.
Tesla's ripping down. Everything's ripping down, dude.
There is some big trouble. They just lost all their benefits. All the benefits. They just went ahead and, picked on DeSantis, thinking he wasn't going to do anything.
Yeah, but I don't think that's why Disney's losing money. Disney's losing money because they went too woke. It's okay to.
Remember that they took away their tax benefits.
Well, yeah.
Now they got to pay.
But that's what I said. That was a result of. It's okay to try to push diversity and get people to come off their stereotypes and their stigmas. I'm all for that, dude. But Doesn't mean you got to force it on people, because then eventually people are going to tell you to go scratch, as my grandma used to say. She didn't curse much. If my grandma cursed, bro, you better run. If grandma cursed, you better run.
I used to be frying
She used to tell
pans.
people to go scratch.
Flying pans. That was my history as a kid. Flying pans and broomsticks. Come on, Reggie. Come on. I see that it's going.
Yeah, we got a lot more consolidation in here again. So at some point, this thing's going to turn around and go the other way. But we're pushing up on noon.
Yep.
So noon, still got 4 hours of trading. But after 12 o'clock, the time on these premiums really starts riding out a little. I'm just trying to see. We got a little consolidation here. I want to see if this thing's going to break below 308.
It's just like downtrending, but like a teeny bit at a time. Teeny bit at a time.
Yeah, it's called the meltdown. But
There we
if
go.
you looked at Thursday, it was a meltdown. Friday was a
It was
meltdown.
buying. And there
Yeah, I
goes
see it.
QQQs.
Yep. Can we get down to 307? Can we get down to 307?
You still hear my birds in the background?
No.
Ooh. So maybe the sound thing is working.
I like the birds. Got a lot of freaking at this 308 on the Qs. You got a lot of pressure here, man, to push it up. A lot of pressure at 308 on these at this price. A lot of buying, selling pressure going on in here.
So it's just either going to pop to the downside or take off again.
Well, I got to make a decision here on this contract. I don't want to sit in it just to sit in it. See, we got a little candle above the 9 EMA here. Boom, I'm out. All right, I sold that contract out at 80. And now, so now the only thing I got to deal with is the heavy loss. The heavy loss contracts.
Tomorrow. We have got tomorrow. I am so it looks like for me it's going to be always the same. Beginning of the day, wait for the cross, take it, and then if the mat one actually presents itself, then take it.
I left about $10 on the table. I got all of those two contracts, dude. I really did get all of that on those two contracts. Out of all of it, I only left about $10 on the table.
All right, so I'm done for the day.
And now I'm going to try to minimize my loss on these other contracts.
Yeah, look at this. Basic trading 110, driving style 0, watch me lose money 0.
Yeah.
In here.
But there's people in here. Yeah, it doesn't make sense to me.
So,
What is that?
all right. All right, this is my well, I just wanted to go over my SPY.
Go ahead. Your chart's up.
Yeah. My green line over the yellow line, I made money. That's simple. I'm just experimenting here.
All right.
Is that you with the messages?
Yeah, my contracts just filled. 4 contracts are out, I think. All right. So I took a big loss on those 4. Actually, no, I got those 4 at 8 cents and I sold them out at 14 cents. So I actually picked up 6 cents a contract. So if I look just at those contracts, I did okay. But then I'm still holding the 4 at 45 and we're only at 14. So this is where I got to try to minimize as much loss as possible. But I'm not giving up yet on the Qs. I am back now, Eddie, believe it or not. I'm at 244.71 and we started Wednesday at 250. So basically
I'm
gave
back
back
up.
all my profits, bro, from Thursday. Gave back all my profits.
I started at about 250, made it to 3. Now I'm back to 225.
Okay. So now it's just a matter of managing these contracts.
It's just 1 to 2 trades, and then that's it. Oh yeah. All right. So I don't know. I'm pretty much done. I got nothing else to show.
All right, buddy. Well, we can clip it. We can clip it off.
All right. So I'm done for the day. Vinny, you're gonna be done for the day? You're gonna cut it?
No, yeah, we can cut the feed.
My yep, I got my account up about $25 or 16%.
We'll be losing
60%.
25%.
But I'm technically still down. Because my account started at about 270 something, brought it up to 300, and then now I'm back to 225. So
Hey, appreciate y'all hanging today. I know we went a little bit longer than we normally do, almost a full. Oh, we did, bro. We usually cut it about 11.
yeah,
We went a full hour and
it's
15
12.
minutes over. Well, that's because you offered us some Austin CSI over there.
I can't believe they're they're talking about it now. I was like, dude, that's like such a long time ago. I don't even know what they're investigating. There was self-defense, but it never stops.
All right. Well,
All right.
I'm going to sit here for a little bit because I got to, like I said, I got to try to manage my loss here. But I am thankful I made the right decisions today. Today I've got 2 green trades, but my trade from Friday is still red as shit. So. All right, buddy.
All right, let's cut the feed. Let's do the song. Do the song so I can dance, but you guys can't see it, but you still want to dance for me. Oh yeah.